multiplication of at least whole 2-digit by 2-digit numbers. We can make the multiplication of 2-digit by 2-digit numbers easier by breaking up one of the numbers into its factors. To see how this works, let us work out 61 times 48. 61 times 48. You can break up one of the numbers into its factors to make your calculation easier. Remember that factors are the numbers that divide a given number exactly without leaving a remainder. Also remember that when you multiply, you can write the numbers in any order. 8 times 6 or 6 times 8 and get the same answer. 61 times 8 times 6 equals 61 times 2 times 4 times 3 times 2 equals 122 times 2 times 3 times 4 equals 244 times 3 times 4. 732 times 4. Break up the factors until it is easier to multiply. Because 732 is a big number, break it down to expanded form. 700 plus 30 plus 2 times 4. Remember, the rule is to first multiply and then add. 2,800 plus 120 plus 8 equals 2,928. The answer is 2,928.
Need more help?
I got that.
Ask Maski to make it easy.
I got that.
And let the maths finally start mathing.